Hamas has formally rejected the Trump-backed proposal, calling it one-sided and designed to secure Israeli objectives rather than a durable settlement for Palestinians. Their response is blunt: no withdrawal of Palestinian demand, no disarmament without clear Israeli troop withdrawal, and a simultaneous comprehensive release of detainees held by all parties. Regional mediators Qatar, Turkey and Egypt are pushing hard for a ceasefire and humanitarian corridor, but negotiators remain deeply divided. Israel insists on retaining a security presence in Gaza. Hamas insists withdrawal is a precondition to any disarmament or reconstruction plan. That standoff means the proposal, as currently drafted, lacks the mutual guarantees needed to end hostilities on the ground. Casualty and damage reports tell a grim story. Residential blocks, hospitals and public infrastructure are devastated. Aid convoys face logistical and security barriers. Medical supplies, clean water and fuel are scarce. The humanitarian clock is running out and civilians are trapped between military objectives and political bargaining. Prisoner issues are central and explosive. Hamas says many captives are distributed among different factions and locations, complicating verification and immediate mass release. Israel demands security assurance before consenting to phase release. Mediators are exploring third-party monitors, staggered exchanges and neutral custody arrangements, but trust is low and timelines remain vague. Politically, the balance is shifting. Washington reiterates strong support for Israeli security, while Gulf actors signal leverage through investment and diplomatic ties. Doha's economic and diplomatic weight is a bargaining chip that could reshape outcomes if strained. Global partners warn that unchecked military escalation risks regional spillover. Israel's leadership warns that rejection may justify renewed operations. Hamas warns that continued occupation and blockade leave resistance as the only option. Key question to watch: will mediator secure a clear withdrawal timetable? Israeli forces. Can an enforceable mechanism be agreed for detainee release and civilian protection? Is a phased implementation possible that satisfies both security and humanitarian demand? Failure to resolve these will likely mean more suffering.